What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about my Bybit. Okay, guys, so I would like to deploy 1 2 3 4 5 bots. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the Bitcoin price chart, currently trading at 30.3k. Okay, so this is the pattern that I found on BTC price chart, BTC USDT, and I believe BTC will take a dump. Okay, so it will go down. That's why I decided to place my short position. And if we look at the other four coins, they all representing the similar pattern. Okay, so BTC pumped, okay, and all the other altcoins followed along. Okay, so this is Phantom right now, and Phantom pumped just like BTC and then went down just like BTC right there. Okay, and consolidate a little bit, and then from here, this is again, this is a bearish pattern, and I believe it will do this. Okay, so probably we will hit the 40 cent price mark again. Okay, that's why I got a short position right there. Again, Doge, it was up, okay, and this again is a bearish pattern, so I believe it will take a dump. So all we need is BTC to do it, and then once BTC does it, all the other coins will do it as well. Okay, next one in line is MATIC. Okay, pumped, and then we got over here a major resistance level. Okay, and then from here, I believe MATIC probably will hit this level, break a little above, probably 1.19 per token, and then from there it will have a pullback. And lastly, we have the AVAX. Okay, as you can see, all these 5 coins are representing similar patterns. Okay, which is indicates me that we just need BTC to trigger. Okay, so when BTC takes a dump, the other altcoins will follow along. But hey, this is a 1 hour price chart, and for me to deploy my bot, I need a confirmation. And right now, I don't have a confirmation, and the confirmation will be around midnight, 1 o'clock. Okay, my time, midnight, 1 o'clock. Okay, so I will have to wait a few more hours. So currently is 21:06, and I'm tired. I'm gonna get some sleep, so I'm not gonna place any trades today. Okay, but if I had to place some trades, if it was a bit later, I would place a short position over here, short on this one, short on this one, short on this one, and short on this one. I really do believe they all will break below this white line right here, and we'll do this thing. Okay, we'll do this. So MATIC, I'm a bit skeptical about MATIC because MATIC is pumping, is doing the opposite. But as you can see right here, this is a major resistance level. Okay, so I don't think MATIC will break it this time. Okay, so I believe MATIC will touch this green line, probably go above a little bit, and then from there it will have a pullback. Doge is not gonna get even closer. Okay, it feels like Doge is gonna break below this white line and go down, or probably touch this green line right here, this resistance level. Okay, next one is Phantom. So Phantom again, Phantom might break below this white line right here, and then if it does, it might meet these 48 cents. And BTC, if BTC breaks below this white line, which is, I'm waiting for that confirmation. Once it breaks below, okay, it might land on the 28k again, or yeah, probably 28, 29k. Okay, but if all I need is to go short, okay, to make a few profits, okay, because so from here where BTC is right now to here is 5%, but from here to here is 2%, right? That's all I need. 2% gains, boom, job done, right? But like I said to you, I feel like we will see the breakout either going up or down around 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock or midnight. Okay, that's too damn late for me. So I'm going to wrap this video up. This This would be the positions that I would take if I stay up late. Okay, but I'm not gonna stay up late, so I've got my bots right here waiting for it, but not much is happening, so I'm not gonna deploy any bots today. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna give you an update on this price chart and show you if I was right or wrong. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.